Now, in this question, it is asked a solution is 25% water, 25% ethanol, and 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Okay, we have to calculate the mole fraction of each component. Each component means that we have to calculate the mole fraction of water also, ethanol also, and of acetic acid also. Okay, so the total mass of the solution is 100 grams as it is given in percentage. So total mass of the solution becomes 100 grams. Okay, mass of water is given 25%. It means that the mass of water will be 25 grams. Mass of ethanol will be similarly 25 grams, right? And the mass of acetic acid will be 50 grams as given in the question. Now we have to calculate the moles of water. Okay, so here I would like to remind you the formula of mole fraction first. Mole fraction is basically the number of moles of one component upon total number of all the components in solution. Okay, so this is the formula for mole fraction. I have told you about it in the earlier video, but still I am repeating this formula to remind you. Okay, so here we have to calculate the mole fraction of each component. So for that, first of all, we are calculating the number of moles of each component. Okay, so first the number of moles of water. Okay, so moles, you know that it is mass over molar mass. So mass, it is given 25 gram, and molar mass we have 18. Okay, that is molecular mass is 18. Then when we solve it, then it will be 1.388. Okay, next is moles of ethanol. Okay, ethanol is basically C2H5OH. This is the molecular formula of ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay, so when we have to calculate the molar mass of ethanol, then it will be 12 into 2. Okay, the 12 and the atomic mass for carbon is 12. Okay, so there are two numbers of carbon here. So here it is, we have written 12 into 2 plus there are total number of 6 hydrogen atom in the formula, 5 from here and 1 from here, that is 6. So 1 into 6 plus oxygen's atomic mass is 16. Okay, so when we will add this whole number, we will get 46. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the molar mass of any substance. Okay, so C2H5OH is ethanol. The molar mass of ethanol is 46 grams, and 25 gram is the mass of the ethanol in the solution. So mass over molar mass gives you the number of moles of ethanol. Okay, next we have moles of acetic acid. Acetic acid's formula is CH3COOH. So as you calculated the molar mass of ethanol, you can also calculate the molar mass of acetic acid. Okay, so when we will calculate the molar mass of acetic acid, similarly as we calculated the molar mass of ethanol, we will get this number, that is 60. So 60 is the molar mass of acetic acid, 50 is the mass of the acetic acid in the solution. Okay, so mass over molar mass gives you the number of moles, that is 0.833. Next, the total number of moles. Okay, here is the formula that we want to calculate the number mole fraction, which can be calculated by this moles of the number of moles of one component upon total number of moles of all the components in solution. Okay, this is the formula, right? So total number of moles of all the components, right? So for that we have to add all the number of all the three quantities which we have got right now. Okay, so by adding this, we will get the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. Okay, there were 3 components in the solution. Okay, so we are adding the number of moles of all the 3 components, and we are getting the total number of moles of all the components in the solution. Now the mole fraction of water. So we have to calculate the mole fraction of water. So as the formula is the number of mole of the component upon total number of moles. So okay, so we have to calculate the mole fraction of water. It means first we have to take the number of mole of water upon total number of moles, that is this one. Okay, we will get 0.502. This is the mole fraction of water. Okay, similarly for mole fraction of ethanol, we have here. Okay, so ethanol's number of moles of ethanol was what we had calculated was 0.543. okay, so here we are putting the number 0.543 upon 2.764, which was the total number of moles of ethanol. Okay, and by solving it we are getting this number, that is 0.196. This is the mole fraction of ethanol in the solution. Similarly, the mole fraction of acetic acid, 0.833 was calculated, the number of moles of acetic acid present in the solution, and 2.764 is the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution, and by solving it we will get 0.3022. This is the mole fraction of acetic acid. So this is how you can calculate the mole fraction of any substance.